viewers, we're playing Super Smash Bros. Again.
And I shall be victorious.
Yeah.
Get off of me.
Wait, I'm the one who won. Look, viewers, we played this before. I'm the one who won the last round. I'm Link right there. And, I don't know what place he's in.
Third.
Third? You're in third place. Because all I was focusing on was you. I have that song stuck in my head.
So now I want you to be Kazuya Mishima.
Why could you mischief me?
We go to Mishima Dojo. We go to your dojo.
We get a mad dude.
And then
Get your controller.
I, as Sephiroth, attempts to defeat you with finesse.
Yeah, because last round, like a couple of rounds ago, I was Sephiroth and you weren't.
Yes. I was the mission man.
Wait. I wanna try one more. Should we try the first one I did? No. Wario Trips.
Wow.
Wario. My voice from laughing so hard. It can be played with the Mishima Dojo. Viewers, I don't know if you could say.
Mishima? Oh yes, the word Mishima is such a bad word.
I don't know if you could see the screen, viewers. Like, I'm trying my best.
Oh.
Did you think I should see the word? Or say the word? I don't know.
Yes.
Should we both be shirtless?
Fine.
And you said you hated shirtless dudes.
Yeah.
In a Hispanic accent.
I hate shirtless dudes. I don't know why I do. I'll let you beat me.
Why am I laughing so much after that? We had a bit of a mishap. And
I forgot I can do this.
We had a bit of a mishap. And I was just laughing so hard. No.
What?
Quickly kill. Quickly kill. Dun 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 dun. Wait, I'm not Sephiroth. Sephiroth. You are Sephiroth. No. Shoot. I'm a fire in my laser.
Oh.
No, wait. I want to fire in my laser. How do you fire in your laser?
I'm a fire in my laser. Be. Oh, I got the smash.
No. I'm a fire in my laser. I'm a fire in my laser. Fire in my laser. There's a fire in Malaysia.
There's a fire in Malaysia.
There was a bit of a mishap and I laughed so hard that I actually almost killed myself. I'm a fire in Malaysia. I am a fire in Malaysia. Yeah, I'm a fire in Malaysia.
Oh.
You can actually caught me. You actually? What did you do?
I ran out.
Why did you do that?
I don't know.
I'm turning into Scooge. Scooge. How about we both be Kazuya next time? I'm staying near you. I'm a firing laser. Why can't I fire my laser? I'm a I'm firing, and then I missed. Then I'm firing, and then I hit something, but it wasn't what I was going for. A reference to the Gamma Grumpy. Get off the stage. You're only at 2. You died 3 times. How did you die 3 times?
Your kicks.
My kicks are powerful. I have powerful shoes.
Yes. The Kazu kicks.
No. I want to get it this time. You got it last time. I'm a fire in Malaysia. No.
Got it. And I'm still missing.
You got it. Then I got it. Then you got it from firing me, and also it gave it to you while you were firing me. I'm a fire in Malaysia. That's still funny. That's still funny mixed with what happened. We're not even gonna say it. It just happened. It was just a mishap. Hey, that's one of our words. That's one of the words I'm trying to do. I'm a fire in Malaysia.
School?
No.
Oh no, I'm dead.
Wait, what? Oh no, you're dead. You are.
I am.
That was terrible. I was terrible today.
Then 2 Kazumas and then maybe Ryu?
2 Kazumas? It's Kazuya.
I'm sorry, I watched Konosuba once.
Today?
No, what? Like a month ago.
It's Kazuya.
I'm getting him confused with Kazuma.
How? Be shirtless with me. Be shirtless with me. Shirtless Kazuya.
I don't like this.
You don't like this. Chrissy, wake up. We could sing meme songs though.
I don't want to.
Chrissy, wake up. We're both Kazuya. I'm bad against Kazuya. I'm bad against.
Oh wait,
I'm a fire in Malaysia.
I'm the blue one. I forgot.
Wait, you're the one with. Oh! Wait, that's why it's different. Because they have different pantses.
Yes, pantses.
Pantses.
Different pantses for the dances.
I'm dancing with my pants on. Dancing. Wait, watch me dance. No, wait, face me.
Dance. Dance to death. Oh wait, no, you're alive.
Watch me dance. I'm doing boxer dance. No, I wish I actually. No. I'm a fire in the leaves. I'm a fire in Malaysia. How about you say that? Whenever you fire the laser.
I'm a fire in Malaysia.
It's funnier when you say it. It is actually. No.
Yes.
Shoot. Wait, can you show me the smash? I forgot.
Yes. I wish I spoke Japanese. I wish I spoke Japanese.
What was that though? No. Shoot.
He says words.
He says words.
Kazuya says words.
Kazuya Mishima doesn't win. If any of us win. Wait. Let me turn up the volume a bit.
Kazuya Mishima says words. Okay. Too loud.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, that sounds nice.
Then be quiet, then it actually sounds like a fight.
But copyright strike.
Copyright strike! Oh, wait, no, I forgot about that.
Not too low. Kazuya says words.
Kazuya says words. No! Fine, I'll die one more time. Let me turn up the volume. Wait, let me die. Let me die. Wrong way. Let me die. Let me die.
Kazuya can only face his opponent.
That's all I wanted to hear.
Really?
Yeah.
You happy now?
Yeah.
I loves you.
Kazuya Mishima wins. Ow, my back.
You're not old. Stop it.
I turned old. My back actually hurts.
Why?
Probably from laughing too much. That's probably where this is going. I want to pick the taste. Not taste. I want to pick the Random.
Don't like customs.
Random.
Stop it. I don't like customs.
That's actually my catchphrase sometimes. Random. Let's both be random on a random stage. Come on.
I want to. Oh,
Come on.
fine. Let's
Come on.
make it fun. Yeah, let's make it fun.
Random.
Stop it. I don't like it.
No, that's actually kind of my catchphrase.
Why am I the villager? Why to be the
You
villager?
don't even like Animal Crossing. Why am I Dr. Mario?
I don't even like the villager.
Well, at least it's a good stage that doesn't move at all. You don't even like Animal Crossing. We made a whole video about that called Jovi Hates Animal Crossing. Stop missing me, alright?
Can, I'm a villager.
Yeah, villagers always suck. Let me throw my pills at you.
Don't you give me meds.
Take your meds. You haven't been taking them for a while. I'm your doctor. You should listen to me. I'm the one who keeps you healthy. Now pay your medical bill. Finally, you got me with that. Pay your medical bill. Pay your medical bill or you will die.
You pay yours.
I'm Fauci. I'm Fauci-os.
I'm dead.
Veni, veni, venias. More things in Latin. Veni, veni, venias. Veni, more Fauci-os. No! Why did I just kick you into it?
Thank you.
No!
Here's a house.
Well, thank you. It's a nice house.
It is.
Wait, why did my house explode on you?
It does that.
On me?
It does that.
No, it doesn't.
This
It
is-
shouldn't. It shouldn't. It shouldn't.
There's something wrong in the nooks and crannies.
There's something wrong with your medical bill. You have to pay it.
No.
And you also have to pay your house bill. And your electricity bill. And your water bill.
And my duck bill.
And your duck bill. Yeah, and your duck bill. And no, that's for Duck Hunt Dog. Duck Hunt Dog has to pay his duck bill.
Give the dog bills? Are you a vet?
Yes. You have to pay your medical and duck bill. You have to pay Duck Hunt Dog's duck bill. Wrong way. Pay your bill. I'm Fauci. I'm Fauci butt.
Dr. Fauci.
Fauci.
Dr.
Fauci
Fauci.
butt. Vene, vene, venias. Vene more. Fauci butt.
I just realized
You just got a message.
you could say that.
You just went back and then you killed yourself.
You could say that
Pick up the bomb.
Dr.
Give me a
Mar-
second.
Dr. Mario fires Paxlovid,
What do you mean?
medication for COVID.
No? That was so cool! Don't you think?
No.
Wake up the Womblins, wake up the Womblins. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
I love the taser glove so much.
Where?
You just used it a few seconds
Right here?
ago.
Right here? My foot?
No.
Where?
The glove.
That?
No. The glove.
Where? That?
Yes, that.
I want to see the move list. Super Sheet, Super Jump Punch, Mr. Tornado, and Mega Vitamins. Vene, vene, vene. Vene,
Go back to
vene,
Tetris.
vene. No. Wait, yes. I want to go back to Tetris.
I'm saying that because Dr. Mario's I'm a Tetris version.
Yeah. I actually want to play Tetris now.
No.
In the same game, we're actually gonna play Animal Crossing.
I don't wish to.
No, we're already playing Animal Crossing, but like a fighting version. Don't you know? Like
I
the
don't
one
know,
with-
don't you know?
You don't know, don't you know?
Don't you know? I don't know.
Who's don't you know? No! No! I was just about to get. Please don't give me another house. Please, I don't want another house. I don't want a house bill to pay. You already have to pay. You already have to pay your bill. Pay your medical bill.
Oh, I still got you in the air. Wow.
You built a house in the sky. Yes. I still killed you. You should be happy. If you don't like Animal Crossing, then don't play. You're already playing Animal Crossing. I'ma flip you around.
No, I'm not playing Animal.
Yeah, you are.
We're
You're playing
fine.
a fighting version. Oh, I can't do that.
Yes. Animal Crossing.
Battle Bull Crossing? What was that?
Fighting version. Battle move.
Oh, and viewers, I also found a good way to put up the camera with you seeing.
Thank you. The viewers say thank you.
Yes, my name's Vic, by the way.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vic.
Thank you. We love you.
We love you, Vic. I killed you again. You're at 1 life. Do you want to keep it, or should I go to 2
It's
lives?
fine because I don't even like a villager.
Should I go to 2 lives? Should we be even?
No, fight me for real. I die a man.
You die a man, not a woman.
Hey, a woman can die with honor as well. How dare you?
At least you're not one of those failed ones, and you're not the girl.
What do you mean?
Yeah, because there's a girl with a weird hairstyle.
Oh, character design
Mhm.
in this game.
In Animal Crossing. Deal with it. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. And my name is John Cena.
We're just fighting. We're just flicking our cats at each other.
Wow, you have boxing gloves. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Did you just try to get me with that? I keep knocking you off your block. Da da da
It's
da.
not a block, it's a rocket.
No, it's a block now. Deal with it, it's a block.
You deal with it.
Yeah! Remember when I hurt my toe? Where I referenced this in the last video? Where I hurt my toe and I was like...
Yes. Previously on the ramblings of a child.
Yeah.
Ow!
Kick, foot, hurt, and say ow at the same time. I won!
Yes. But those are some nice
I shall
gloves.
spit in your face.
No,
Patooey.
how dare you?
Patooey.
I am disgusted.
Patooey.
I am,
That's actually not how I spit.
I am disgusted.
Patooey.
Revolted.
Patooey. Patooey.
I shall shower. This is disgusting.
Oh, that was really funny though. Should we? No.
My turn.
No.
My turn. I want to pick.
I actually spit.
Stop it, Sephiroth.
No. Sephiroth. No. Stay on that screen because I'm trying to. Sephiroth.
It should be random.
No. Don't you dare.
Then
I'm trying to fix the camera.
I just feel like being Ken.
Ken? Who's Ken?
Ken.
Ken? Ken. Oh,
Ken.
Ken. Oh.
Ken.
Ken.
It's like.
Wait, do you know Ryu Ken? Did you show you Ken? And there's a Ryu Ken. Dragon Fist.
There is?
Yeah, Ryuken. Remember?
Okay.
You want to match?
Okay.
Or should I be your normal color? Where's red? There's no red. It's the closest to red. Blue? No. How about we both be black? I am Sephiroth. Fetchy, yes. Fetchy, but...
Stop it.
I know, I'm making you smile.
Mm.
Fetchy, but... I made you smile. Okay, let's go.
It's a smile out of irritation. You've been looking at that for 2 hours.
I know. Wait, has it actually been 2 hours?
It feels like that.
Yeah, it does. Come here. Come here. Wait. Stand next to me.
What?
Stand next to me.
Okay, fine.
Wait. Let me stand on this side then. Ryuken! Ryuken!
And
Dude.
you diarrhea joke?
End your diarrhea joke. Yeah, because I'm ending your diarrhea joke. No, you're pooping yourself and I'm ending your diarrhea joke. End your diarrhea joke. That's so funny though.
Yes, it is.
Don't you dare Ryuken me.
That's Hadoken.
Ryuken me. Dragon fist me.
I'm not Goku.
Show you can. You can. Hold on. Show you can.
Hadoken. Oh, you punch.
Show you can. I'll show you can. I just punched your Hadouken. Let's both. Wait. Let's do that anime thing without the laser things. Like, wait.
I
Stand
forgot
on the
how to-
other. Stand.
I don't know how to Hadoken it. Oh, there.
There you go. Wait, stand on the other side. No, not there. Wait. Let's do that anime thing where they do this. But like actually.
Wall.
You're hurting the wall. You just said wall. You're hurting the wall. No, wait. I should have paused.
I'm sorry.
I need to fix my seating arrangements.
Now I'm doing it.
Yes! Finally! I'm going to check move list.
Hadoken.
There's the Shoryuken.
Shoryuken.
Shoryuken. Hadouken. Shoryuken.
Takatoken.
Takatoken. You just went Shoryuken. Takatoken. I'll show you can. That you can. Hadouken. Hadouken. You look more tan in this stage.
Yes, I do.
In the game.
Fire.
You look tan.
'Cause I'm dead. Fire.
You're tan. No, you still look tan.
Oh yeah, black. Ken in black looks more tan than usual for some reason.
Ken in black. I'm back in black. See? I am.
I am the Ken in black.
You are the Ken in black. Right when I did that, fireworks went on.
Want you to remember?
You're black and black. I mean,
black and black.
yeah, that's what I meant. And we're black and black. No, don't hurt me. I wanna actually do something nice. We're black and black, fighting each other. Why is my foot inside of yours?
Your foot is behind mine.
No, look, our feet keeps like going into each other. It's a glitch.
No.
Back in black. I hate the sack. Yeah, you are a sack. I hate the sack. I hate the. Come here.
Do it.
Do it. I
Ah.
actually got you. Palpatine, do it.
Do it.
sack. I didn't hit the sack. No, I hit the sack. I hit the diarrhea joke foot.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I guess this means reuse is technically stronger.
Back in black. I hit the sack. I hit the sack. I hit the sack. Back in black. I hit the sack. Yo, you were back in black because you're the last one who died. Back in black. I hit the sack. Why do you keep hitting the sack? No, I'm running from you. Watch this.
Hadouken!
Watch this. Why am I so fast? Down.
Good to Ryu.
There we go. I'm safe. Look at me. I'm
Me
safe
over
over
head.
here. Yeah, then be my head. Then see my head. Look at my head. No, let me fix the
Move.
camera. There we go. I'm back in black.
I said your name, Vic.
No, you said Vic's name. I said I would thing that out. End of diarrhea joke. I wish I could
Stop getting in my way.
That was funny. You thought that was you, didn't you?
No.
and why can't I say it? End of diarrhea joke. Why do I say randomly?
End of diarrhea joke.
Randomly.
'Cause
That's the only thing I could say. That's the only thing I could say in like that accent.
I don't know whether to
Randomly.
apologize for you or just let it continue.
What? Just saying randomly?
Yeah, because you're so culturally insensitive. How dare you?
How am I culturally insensitive? Oh, because of that last time.
No.
We're not even gonna say it. We're just gonna say because of that last time. No. End of diarrhea joke.
You and your own diarrhea jokes.
No, did I get it? No, I didn't get it. Let me get it. Thank you. Oh, the wrong way. Oh, no, right way. What, is randomoo a bad word?
No.
Then good.
You're randomly.
I'm randomly. Why can I only say that in that kind of like way? Randomly.
I don't know.
Oh, you actually caught me with that.
I countered you. Yay! I can learn things.
You can learn things. There we go. How do you counter anyway? Kick. I'm dancing. Randomly.
Randomly.
Randomly. I said randomly.
Randomly.
Randomly. Don't.
I am gonna pump you
Stinky. What's a stinky? Remember, Diglett, Wiglet, Piglet, Twiglet, Jiglet,
Figlet.
Figlet, and then there's Figlet, and then there's Stiglet. Remember we were laughing so hard at that? We're real Pokemon fans. And then there was another kind of racist one somebody made.
There was?
Yeah.
What?
And
Who would do that to a Diglett?
I don't know. Someone just made it kind of racist.
I don't like this anti-Diglett attitude.
Me either. They just made Diglett racist.
How?
They made it start with N instead of D.
How dare they?
How dare they? I know.
How dare
How dare they? And then I said, I know, and then I continued. That was just uncalled for. What was that?
I missed.
Mine is more powerful because it's different. Here, let me show you. Final, sure you can. and Shiruken. I don't know. Hey.
Hmm?
Where's your senpai?
You are my senpai.
I don't want to be your senpai.
In
You
the
need...
game, you are my senpai.
Why?
You're older,
In the game?
I think.
What?
I'm not a fan of Street Fighter.
Nani?
In case you couldn't tell, I'm not a fan of Street Fighter. Okay, I'll just die. Bye-bye.
That was so funny. You could never trust me. If anybody came to my house, if anybody knows me actually, you know me. I am never trustworthy with the pause button.
This is true.
See, even Jovi agrees.
This is true. She's absolutely a terrible sport.
I'm untrustworthy. Let's do random. Random.
I wish to be packed.
No, random. Please, just
Okay.
random with me.
Okay, fine.
I'm not gonna get. I'm not gonna get. I'm not gonna get.
Oh boy, I get to be Roy.
Stop rhyming. Oh boy, you get to be Roy, and I get to be Joker. We're on this stage.
This song is funky. I want you to turn it up. I like it.
Oh, sorry, we can't copyright.
I hate you.
No, I'm not kidding. Copyright.
Oh, it's Nintendo.
Yeah, it's a Nintendo. I'm sorry, but well, after we stop recording, I'll turn on the volume, okay? Yes. That song is in my head now.
There is nothing.
I'm bad at no, cheer him up. I'm bad at Joker. No! Why did I just say Aiku? Aiku!
Yes, you did.
I just said Aiku. Who's Aiku? Random me. Random me and me, random you. Get out of my house. This is actually my house. My house is full of luxury. My house is full of luxury.
Yes.
Why can't I say luxury with a Russian accent?
Because when you're a ninja, you're
Luxury.
ninja in style.
How do you say it in Russian accent?
I do not know.
I cannot say luxury in... Oh, I did it. I said luxury in the Russian accent, but that's the closest I could get. Because I can't say it again.
Okay.
Sing this with me. Veni, veni, please. Veni,
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 veni, yes. Veni, more faci, yes. You didn't finish.
I don't want to.
Veni, more faci, but...
Bene, more facias. Bene, bene, bene.
I knew the word for butt since I was 2 years old.
You are a butt.
You are a butt. No, no, no. Come back to me, my sweet.
Oh, you got me.
I did.
Yeah.
I just said, come back to me, my sweet. Yes. Please, my sweet, come back to me. Yes. My name
I
is
have a
Jimmy.
disadvantage.
Yeah, you do. Wait, how?
You have long range attacks. I can only.
You can only go with the sword, so I could hit you with my long range attacks because you're so close to me. That's funny.
Unfair advantages are funny.
The game hates you.
It does.
Let's play Mario Kart.
No.
Let's show the world how bad you are. Well, at least they don't know your real name. Let's show the world how bad you are. Vene, vene, veneas, vene more facias.
I
Please.
think, I think it's them and more facias.
No, I don't care. I don't care. Oh, you actually got me. Good for you.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna get you with my long range attacks now.
Good for me, yeah.
A gun. Dude,
Yeah.
remember?
You
remember?
literally bring a gun to a sword fight.
I literally bring a gun to a sword fight. Remember? Wait. I'm still thinking of what you said. Remember when we used to go? Remember, like a couple of years ago when we used to go gun do new. Remember?
Yes. Run.
Gun do. Go.
Run.
No. No. No.
Oh, I made it.
No. We both died. Oh, I still. I'm gonna pee myself and I keep laughing. Oh, I just killed you 3 times in a row. So easily. Oh, that's so funny. Oh.
If I was Pac-Man, you'd have a harder fight.
No, I'm still bringing guns to a sword fight.
Yes, you are.
Oh, that was the funniest thing I've ever seen. Is it still recording?
No.
Yeah, it is. Oh, that was the funniest thing I've ever seen. I
You
hope
wanna
the
go random
I
again?
hope- yeah, let's
Random.
all go random.
Randy.
Oh, that was the funniest thing I've seen before.
Renews.
I don't care. I don't care. Danny.
Okay, at least 2 swords.
No, I want to bring guns to a sword fight again. Wait, that counts as a gun.
Yes. You again have more long-range attacks.
I know! Shoot! I almost died.
This game hates me.
I know! So does Mario Kart. Mario Kart hates you more.
It does.
And when me and Destiny played it, she was like so good that I actually lost. But when you play it, it's just like, yeah, he's so bad, let's just make him badder and make him madder. Hee hee. He's Michael Jackson bad.
No, that would make me good.
You're Michael Jackson good, I guess.
Ouch.
Did you say ouch because I said Michael Jackson? Is it because I said Michael Jackson good?
Yes.
Or is it because I just heard you? I forgot it now. I'm blue, double D, double die. Wait, The Simpsons. I'm yellow, double D, double die. I know how The Simpsons look, I just never watched it.
Yeah, whatever.
What do you mean, whatever?
Oh, the bucket saved your barrel.
Yes. No, I kind of saved myself.
It kinda did.
I kind of did. Come
Kinda,
here.
congratulations.
No, yes, no, yes, no, yes. You're not even getting hit by the other swords.
That's so cool, right?
Yeah. Wait. I want to try something. How about you stay there, and let's wait until this goes all the way in a circle. Stay on the other platform.
Oh.
Stay on the other platform. Stay on the other platform, and let's wait until it goes full circle with us on it. Are you trying to hit me? Shoot. There we go. That's what I meant to do. Come here. 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 How do you even heal that, though? By fighting?
I don't know.
Shoot.
Ladder.
Shoots and ladders. Someone shoot me.
I would, but I don't have a sword. I mean, I don't have a-
You would, but you don't. This is why I like playing games with you, and this is why I like recording, because we do stuff that would be funnier if we just recorded it and everybody else could see.
Yes. I'm hilarious.
You're
Yeah.
hilarious alone.
My
What was that? What the heck was that?
laughter.
Do SpongeBob laughter. No. You were not getting this.
No.
I got it. Phineas. No, I made you miss me. I actually made you miss me.
I do miss.
You
I
should
do miss you.
you should be happy. Why do you sound like someone from a show?
I don't know. I really don't know.
You sound like someone from like a show that I've heard about but not watch.
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
You know what? Like my friend.
I said your
My
name.
friend Olan.
I don't even know what an Olan is.
Olan / another place in Britain. Don't say her actual name.
Oh,
She
no.
will kill you.
Destroy me. Try to kill me. Go ahead.
I will. Dun, dun, dun. Stupid platforms up there, you would already be dead. Nah, boo boo. No, why do I do that at the last second?
I don't know.
Boo boo.
I don't know.
What's a place in Britain?
Olan.
Olan? Oh wait, it's her name. It's her name like mixed up.
Yeah.
Olan.
I like that name.
Yeah, that's her character's name. Her character in Wolfpack.
It is?
Yeah.
Olan. Ricola!
Mix up the name Olan and make an actual
Stop giving
name.
them hints.
No, I'm just saying you. Like,
Mia, people will see this.
I know.
Stop giving them hints.
Just mix up the
Protect
name.
your friend's privacy, will you?
Just mix up the name.
Protect your
Olan.
friend's privacy.
Oh, I got it again!
Protect your friend's privacy while you get it
Come
again.
Come here, you're not gonna... Come here. You shoot. No.
I'm not gonna what now?
No. What did I say before this? Because you just made me laugh and made me forget what I
I'm
said.
not gonna what now?
What did I say before you? I said.
I don't know.
Oh wait, I said you're not gonna get away, and then I shot it that way. And then you're like, I'm not gonna what now? Remember that girl that you said is very inappropriate? Remember?
Samus?
No, that is very inappropriate, like, who I know.
Who do you know?
Yes, her.
I still can't. I don't want to remember what you're talking about.
Like, the girl that you said was inappropriate, like, she told you something that,
Oh yeah, her.
yeah, her. Remember that show that she recommended to me to give to you?
I know you're still watching it.
No. I'm not even watching it.
Really?
Yeah, I just know the characters, like, voices.
Okay.
Do you know, like, the one with the puffy hair?
You?
No, in the show. In the show that has, like, eyeliner and stuff.
No, I'm not. Oh yeah.
The dad
Yeah.
one.
Glam.
Yeah. Yeah. You kind of sounded like him a while ago when I was trying to remind you about her name.
I do?
Yeah, about what? Yeah, you did.
Okay.
Well, now you don't. You just sound like Grug from the Croods.
Okay, I'll be one of the Croods.
No, be Glam.
I don't like being glam.
He doesn't even sound like that anyway.
I see. You have a problem with my son's behavior.
No, he doesn't sound like that. He sounds like more higher pitched.
Really? Really?
Yeah, you could probably do the one named D.
Oh yeah, D.
D. He has more of a Russian accent than all of them. Please give me the Smash Ball game. No, please game, give me the Smash Ball. No, why did I do that? Please game, give me the Smash Ball. Please game, give me the Smash Ball. Thank you.
And now I'm 10.
It was just like, please game, give me the Smash Ball, and then it gave it to me. I'm watching this over, like, actually.
I know. 'Cause you,
Like, because I just said that.
Yeah.
Please game, give me the Smash Ball. Like, I was just like, please game, give me the Smash Ball, and then it turned into a Roz. Wait, can you do D's voice?
I don't even remember what D's voice is.
You don't even remember how D sounds?
Not really. I don't even remember what D's voice is.
Well, that's close. It's kind of like Canadian mixed with Russian.
I'm guessing this is as close as I can get, but I don't really remember.
Okay,
So,
go, like, sand down the Canadian accent a bit.
sand down the Canadian accent a bit.
Yeah,
Are you talking like this?
no. Like, I said a bit, not that much.
Okay. I don't exactly know what you mean.
Well, that's close enough. I'll show you the voice.
How on earth am I getting close?
How on earth are you getting close? Because you are, okay? Let's both do random. Randomly.
Fine.
Randomly.
Okay, stop.
You just even get a random. Randomly. Randomly.
Finally.
Pikachu.
I'm something that won't shock itself. This is good.
I still have long range.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
And I have better dodging powers. Oh, and also I forgot about this. I have bombs.
Yes.
I have
I
bombs.
am Pika Blue.
You're blue. You should be Pikachu, part of the Blue Man group. Why am I this inkling though? Here, come here. Oh wait.
Huh.
I want to turn you blue again. Then you can sing "I'm blue."
I'm Pika Blue,
Give me a second.
which is a reference for 90s kids.
Wait, give me a second.
Some of them.
For a reference for what 90s kids? I said, give me a second, dude.
Long ago,
Just tell me.
when the Pokemon was still young.
Give me a second. I wanna refill my ink power. I wanna turn you blue again.
The Pokemon known as Azumarill was mistakenly called Pika Blue when it was leaked.
Okay.
And now,
Come here. I wanna turn you peekaboo.
I'm to be painted a blur.
Yay, you're peekaboo. Sing "I'm blue." For the time being that you're blue. No. No.
I'm blue, double D, double dot.
Why are you Mewtwo? I'm blue, double D, that actually sounded like I had auto-tune.
I'm blue, double D, double dot.
No, I mean, like, to me it sounded like I actually had auto-tune right
You
there.
didn't?
No?
That was a
I'm
joke.
blue. How dare you? I'm blue, double D, double die, double D, double die. My voice is cracking.
My
You
head-
missed me!
My head is slacking.
I'm safe. Please give me that. Please, no, please, please, please. I really want it.
I really wanted to.
Really, if my friend Jaden saw this, he would be like, "Hey yo." I could say his name because I'm not gonna say his last name.
And a fire in the mist.
Like, there's everybody named Jaden in the world. There's like,
There are too many Jadens.
there are. So I could just say his name's Jaden. If he saw this, he would be like, "Hey yo," because we're doing such high voices that it might sound like we're doing a sus noise.
Sus.
Yeah, that's not the sus noise, but wouldn't that be funny if the sus noise was just sus? Sus noise. Sus noise. Insert sus noise. No, please don't.
Us.
Us. Among Us. Dun. You actually caught me with that. You would be like, "Hey yo." Should I tell you why?
No!
I'm
No!
I'm actually not gonna tell you why.
Don't.
But I'm just gonna say like closest to it.
I am now happy.
That you caught me with that?
No.
I won't say that?
Yes.
I'll tell you closest to it, like not actually. So it's like this. You're doing such high voices that it might sound like a sus noise.
You're a sus noise.
And the sus noise,
Don't
Very
say what the sus
inappropriate.
noise is, you sus.
you're sus. You're very sus.
I know, I'm always sus.
You are. Excuse me.
I'm so sus my last name should be Pension.
What? What do you mean? What do you mean?
But those two. What's the abbreviation?
Oh, suspension. Suspicious. And he also kind of looks like an Among Us. So it actually fits.
Jaden does?
No,
Oh,
Blue. From that show.
yes he does.
Suspicious. Why would Jaden look like Among Us?
Because he's sus.
He is sus. And so is another person whose name is so rare I can't even say it. But you probably know it's the annoying one.
Of course. The orange.
The orange? No, it's not that annoying one. It's not Donald Trump.
No, the annoying orange.
No, it's not that one either. It's not that orange either. Should I get that out of the video too?
No, you can keep that in.
Yeah, I can, because he's like former president now.
Trump hate is acceptable.
Yes, it is. It should be. Everywhere in the world. Then we're gonna get some comments if I put this on adult. So I'm not. So it shuts off kids.
And just so we're equal, I hope that Biden can once again tumble and provide me with some
Laughter.
endless entertainment.
Yeah, he's just stumbling up the stairs again. And then you hear dee 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 while he's falling upstairs.
Look at me, trying to learn how to
Wait.
walk.
Look at me. I'm tumbling upstairs.
Only our current president can tumble the best upstairs.
Yeah, and tomorrow is actual election day for like something else, not president. I'm gonna turn you Pika Blue. Wait, give me a second. I want to refill my paint. I want to turn you blue again.
I'm an Asumaril, baby.
Okay, let me turn you into an Asumaril. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Us us.
Among Us.
Among me.
Insert sus noise.
No.
I'm not actually gonna do that. I'm just gonna say that. Imagine the sus noise.
I don't. I already do. And I don't wanna.
You don't want to imagine the sus noise. Do you know what the sus noise is?
I would be too ashamed to think that my estimate is correct. Please do not confirm for me.
You don't know what you don't want to know. Confirm. You don't want it confirmed?
I really don't.
It's in most kids' books, so it's fine, I guess.
I don't even care.
You don't even care. You just don't want to hear the word right now.
I don't want to know.
You
I really
wanna know.
don't.
I'm telling you after this video's over.
How dare you?
Imagine me forgetting, which I actually might.
I hope you do.
I hope I do too. Because I don't want to tell you the sus noise, because the sus noise is too sus. No, I just don't want to say the sus noise in general. But I'm going to tell you if I remember.
I'm so sick of sus.
I'm so sick of the word sus. It's Among Us now. We live in Among Us.
It
You're
can no
sus.
longer be sustained.
Stop saying words with sus in them.
Stop being sus then.
You stop being sus. I'm going to tell you the sus noise later. I'm gonna keep that in the back of my mind and tell you the sus knows.
How dare you?
How dare I? How dare I? You miss. You miss. You miss. What was that anyway? What if this? Wait. After this, I wanna.
You want to rock right now?
No. You're a peekaboo. Can't touch
You're
this.
fried calamari.
No, I'm not. What is fish eggs called again? Oh, I'm caviar. I'm not calamari, I'm caviar. You're so slow in that. Can't touch this. Remember that other song that also has that in it? That too? That riff? Wait, I want to get more ink quickly. I'm gonna tell you the sus notice later.
Stop it, you little
I'm gonna
sus noise.
sustain you with sauce. No.
Yeah.
I don't like being England anyway, so I'm gonna die. What, do you want it to be a fair fight?
Yes.
I don't like Inkling.
I don't either.
You don't like Pikachu.
I don't.
It's just thing. Okay, and bye viewers, we're gonna stop this right here because our camera's dying.